Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, we've got a legendary showdown between children and talking parrots.
Wiggly.
Yes. It's wiggly.
You got it.
Forget GPS. This boy has a bird eye view. Oh, if you can't see him, he's definitely on your head.
Give a kiss.
Send it into one of those things. Yeah.
This isn't a living room. It's a feathered board meeting to vote for snacks. One gets better arm muscles, one gets better beak.
He wants to get up on your arm, baby. Aw, give him a kiss.
Checking to see if the baby's head smells like crackers.
Give baby kisses. Give baby kisses. Yeah, kisses.
Look, they are ready for their Broadway show. Buy your ticket now. Reading aloud to parrots is a great way to bond and develop their vocabulary. Sharing top secrets. Notice how the parrot is listening intently.
Smokey, give me a kiss.
The parrot is like, I'll trade the blue car for 3 walnuts. Having a feathered alarm clock under the blanket is a bold move.
Вот.
Всех гоняет.
One snack now, and he might consider not chewing on the furniture later. Every great explorer needs a feathered navigator who occasionally screams.
You're doing such a good job, darling.
The boy is providing the smiles and the parakeet is providing the fan. She's officially a Disney princess in training, just needs a tiara. How the parrot takes small bites like he's at a fancy dinner party.
I'm going shopping. My cutie.
You can see the moment the boy realizes the parrot is his new best friend. The ultimate race, Turbo Crawler versus Featherwalker. Who will win?
Go. Go. No.
MJ would be proud. That bird has a great moonwalk. I don't speak baby or parrot, but they're on something.
Chamando ele de meu
Amor.
amor.
Oh, meu amor.
First, he stole the blanket and then your child's childhood too. What a criminal.
Oh my goodness.
No doubt, we found the secret leader of the Cockatoo Council. That was comedy gold. If you enjoyed the battle, like and subscribe for more. See ya!